Today I'm cooking Tom Yum Seafood Mee Hoon. It's authentic, sweet, sour, fragrant, and super delicious. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 80 grams of dried mee hoon soaked for 20 minutes or until soft. This is what it looks like. 90 grams of lala clams, 4 large prawns, which is about 120 grams. Deveined, cut open the shell on the back. 50 grams of squid rings, cut into half. 50 grams of white shimeji mushrooms. 1 lemongrass, cut into 2 inches in length and smashed lightly. 2 shallots, peel and wash. 4 pieces of mixed bird-eye chilli, cut into half. 5 pieces of galangal slices. 3 kaffir lime leaves. 1 stalk of spring onion, cut into 1 inch length. 1 stalk of Chinese parsley, chopped roughly. 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. 2 Chinese cabbage leaf, the stem cut into strip and the leaf cut into large chunk and separated. 700 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of tom yum paste, half tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Boil a saucepan of water for about 3 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil. Leave aside. In another pot or wok, switch on the heat to medium. Pour all 700 ml of water into a wok. Add the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, shallots, and half of the salt. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, marinate the prawn and squid with the rest of the salt. Rub the squid to evenly distribute the salt. Transfer all the squid to another bowl. Repeat with the prawns and set aside. Now our water in the saucepan is boiling. Switch off the heat. Transfer the mee hoon to a heat-resistant bowl and pour all the hot boiling water into the mee hoon. Cover and let it soak for about 1 minute. This almost cooked the mee hoon, so it will have the perfect texture when we serve it. After 1 minute, strain the mee hoon over the basin to drain off the hot water. Toss it a little to remove the excess water and transfer to a serving bowl. Set aside. Open the tom yum paste bottle. Take about half tablespoon of tom yum paste oil and set aside. Now our herbs gravy is boiling vigorously and a very fragrant aroma is released. Add 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste and stir until it's fully dissolved. Continue to boil for about 30 seconds. Then wash and add the shimeji mushroom, Chinese cabbage stem, squid, all the sugar, and half of the fish sauce. Stir to evenly mix the ingredient. The tom yum is coming together now. Continue to cook for about 1.5 minutes. Meanwhile, add all the chilies and tomatoes. Stir again and let the tom yum simmer and continue to cook the vegetable. Make sure to stir occasionally to evenly distribute the heat. After 1.5 minutes, the ingredients are almost cooked. Give it a stir. Add the lala clams and the prawns. Stir to mix the ingredients and distribute the heat evenly. Let them gently simmer in the tom yum gravy for another 1.5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alright, after 1.5 minutes, the lala clams have opened up, which means it is cooked. The prawns are also changed to orange and it is cooked. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred, so I am adding the balance of the fish sauce. Add the Chinese cabbage leaves, switch off the heat and stir. Sprinkle the spring onion and parsley. Stir to submerge them. Pour in all the lime juice and half of the tom yum paste oil. Leave just a bit for garnishing. Stir until it is well mixed. Give it another taste. It should have a perfect balance of sourness, sweetness, savoriness, a bit of saltiness, and it is not very spicy. The gravy is delicious and perfect. Add the gravy into a serving bowl with the mee hoon, just until it reaches the surface. Arrange the vegetable on the side, followed by the prawns, lala clams, squid, and more vegetable. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk around the bowl. garnish with the chopped spring onion, cilantro leaves, and the rest of tom yum paste oil for fragrance. Now our tom yum seafood mee hoon is ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, so rich and full of flavor. It is sour and very creamy. The tom yum is very aromatic and is not very spicy. The seafood is also cooked perfectly, while the mee hoon is springy and delicious. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.